What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now I am in the family car. Unfortunately, I am heading out to the body shop where my car is at. It's over at Straight Auto Body Shop. Yes, I need a haircut, I need to line up and all that good stuff, but anyways, we're heading out right now because my car has been at the body shop since January. On December 31st, somebody backed up into my car, looked at it, essentially drove off, and it took me about a week or so to locate the guy, but another week or so to get his insurance information. Anyways, that's neither here or there, but the car is finally done at the body shop. We're gonna go pick it up and take it over to Gotch Design. The body shop we're heading out to is Straight Auto Body Shop in Glendale, California, where I get all my work done, majority of it recently. But we're gonna go right now, pick it up, and head over to Gotch Design. I got my boy Avo from Avo's Towing heading over there right now to put the car on the tow truck, flatbed it over to the other shop. Safety is always number one. Make sure you guys always remember that. But I got something in the back over here. Don't mind all the mess. I'm gonna blur it out so you guys can't tell what color it is. I got the new wrap for the car. It's from Vinyl Frog, and hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll be able to unveil it to you guys and you know, hit up all the shows that we want to head up to and go from there. So see you guys at the shop. We'll take a look at the car all together and we'll go from there. All right, we're here at Straight Auto Body. She's right in front of me. It's been a couple of months now, but she looks good already. Still wrapped in the satin black, as you guys can see. And we're gonna take it from here to Gotch Design. And I had them do some extra work that I needed to be done regardless, out of pocket of course. And from here we're gonna take it over to Straight Auto, Gotch Design, and drop it off there, have them get started on the wrap, and see how it goes. But overall, really happy with all the work that they did over here at Straight Auto Body. Zach, my boy, staying over here, camera shy. But are you camera shy? What's up, buddy? Guys, this is Zach over at Straight Auto Body. If you guys need anything from Straight Auto Body Shop, make sure you ask for Zach or Alex. They're always helpful. Got my boy over here, Avo, walking up. But we're gonna get it loaded up to the tow truck and head over to Gotch Design. This is how she looks right now. Hey Zach, this is a privilege, by the way, okay? I don't let anybody drive my car. Might want to raise the back a little bit if you want. There you go. Oh yeah, I forgot there's no back bumper now. The man himself. If you guys need any towing services, make sure you hit up Avo's Towing. This guy tows some crazy cars, but I'll drop his Instagram below as well. You guys can contact him or give him a call. Avo's Towing right here. But when it comes to low car friendly, he's very low car friendly. Oh, and one more thing that I forgot to mention. We still have this horrendous rash that we had over at 210 freeway that Caltrans essentially said to go F myself. But yeah, let's see how it goes, and we'll go from there. Now that's 2 times my car has been violated by tourism. Woo! Oh, I'm also thinking about changing the brake color. I don't know what you guys think. Should I change the brake color? Comment down below if you guys want a certain color. I can't really tell you guys what the exterior is going to be, but based on that, we're going to take a look and see what we're going to do as far as the brake color goes. It's already faded, got some chips anyways, so might as well get that taken care of as well. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think will be the next color of the car, and let me know what color we should do the brake calipers. And hopefully in a few months we'll get some new wheel setup as well. All right, so we loaded the front bumper into the trunk of my Range, and the rear bumper is heading over to Avo's Towing. He's gonna probably have to put it in the front over there and strap it down. but the front bumper has fresh paint, so we couldn't put that on the truck itself. So the rear bumper is where it's gonna go, over here on the truck. It's funny, we got a Nissan wrap on the rear bumper and a Lexus wrap on the front bumper, but you know, Alva's taking good care of the bumper itself and all that good stuff. Hey guys, if you guys need anything, make sure you hit up Alva's car. So homeboy even has airbags on this thing. Y'all hear that? Crazy. How much have you spent on this?
250.
250? 250,000 on a tow truck. The what?
Most expensive one in California.
Most expensive one in California. But at least it's low car friendly. You can pick up anything you want, right?
Yeah, make it easier.
Yep.
For a Lamborghini, for a dollar car, would be easier.
Alright, ready to head out?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. I'm gonna start heading out from here. Always gonna follow me to the wrap shop and we'll go from there. Let's see if we can get some rollers off the tow truck. Can't believe that thing has airbags on it. Like, who in their right mind puts airbags? I guess he did. But anyways, $250,000 on a tow truck. That's insane. I honestly cannot wait to get the car back. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. As I've owned it for a very long time, but it's still one of my favorite cars that I've owned to date, and probably keep it for a very long time as well. But of course, we're gonna get another car for the channel, build it up. I don't know if I'll do wide body or not on the next car, but I'll let you guys decide whether we do a wide body kit on the next car or not. Probably gonna be a G80, my personal opinion. I'm tired of having a coupe. We'll get a G80. The whole timeline as far as the cars goes is going to be G80. Probably get an F80 as well, E92. But after the G80, I do want to get an X5M just to have an SUV on the side as well, because it comes in handy. We'll get the G80, the X5M, and see how that goes. We're about to pull up to Gosh Design. The good thing is it's only about a mile away from the main shop, and drop off the car. They're gonna do the wrap, and once the wrap is done, it's gonna go back to straight auto body shop for the assembly. So you know, everything will be put back on the way it's supposed to be, because straight auto body shop actually designed the brackets for the front bumper on this car. Since it is a custom bumper, they had to do some special work to it to make sure it fits correctly. Hopefully that'll be done soon as well. Oh, and I can't forget, 818 Retrofits is doing the new headlights on the car, which will be done soon as well, and we'll pay a visit to them and see how that's going as well, to see what they've done to the headlights. I told him I just want yellow DRLs, but he said he's gonna cook up something special for me. So we just pulled up over to Gosh Design right behind me. Gonna drop off the car, and I still can't believe this thing has airbags on it. That's just nuts. But we're gonna drop off the car right here, and have also over at Gosh Design do his thing. All right guys, make sure you guys hit up Avo for your tow needs. $250,000 tow truck with airbags on it. But yeah, we're here at Gosh. He unfortunately stepped out, but back in about a minute. I'm gonna wait over here and make sure the car goes inside. Here she is, parked all nice. All right, so you guys know how I told you guys I had to track the guy down that hit my car. Well, just to let you guys know, one of the reasons I was able to actually track him down is, one, surveillance footage from, of course, the front of my house, but also my dash cam records 24/7, especially when there is an impact. It records it, saves it with the inside, and makes sure that it doesn't loop over. And all that is thanks to LA Dashcams, the same guy that does the headlights, which is 818 Retrofits. So if you guys want to get a good dashcam setup, make sure you guys hit him up. Let him know that I sent you guys over. He'll set you up to make sure that it records 24/7. Your car is safe. You can also get the cloud dash cams as well, where it automatically sends it to the cloud, location wise and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys hit him up. His name is Kevin, 818 Retrofits, or LA Dashcams. I'll put him in the description. Hit him up. let him know that I sent you guys over, and he'll hook you guys up with a dash cam setup. Or if you want your headlights done, tail lights, whatnot, he can hook you guys up as well. Mr. Aso, aka Gotch Design, is here. Gonna drop off the car. Well, he's gonna pull it in. I already dropped off the bumper and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna let him do his thing. And a couple of these days, I'm gonna stop by, help him out the car, show you guys behind the scenes on the build. And I was gonna say color, but we can't show the color just yet. But keep an eye out for the next vlog, and see you guys on the next one.